If you manufacture building equipment, getting your customers to design your products in their building information model is a sure way to increase sales. With BIM content on demand using Autodesk Inventor and Configurator 360, you can publish BIM-ready content that can be configured by your customer to fit their needs. To create the rules that drive your design configurations, Inventor includes iLogic technology, which has been specifically designed to take complexity out of programming. Using the parameters you have defined in the model and a huge library of code snippets, it's an easy drag-and-drop operation to establish the rules for model configuration. From there, you can simplify the model to remove unnecessary details such as fasteners from the design prior to publishing the configurable model. You can then add metadata to the file that is useful to architects and construction professionals, such as system connection points and properties about your product. Once this is complete, you can send the design to Configurator 360. The parameters and rules you've defined in Inventor are identified, and you can select which options you want available for configuration. Once set up, your customers can access this anywhere, anytime through a web browser or mobile device. When they've configured the model to their specification, it is further simplified and can be downloaded as a native Revit file or in the industry open standard IFC format so that it can be directly imported into their building information model. With Autodesk Inventor, you have access to a complete toolset that makes the task of exchanging data between two fundamentally different modeling systems simple. You protect your intellectual property and increase sales. And your customers can configure and download models of your products, ready to be used in the building information model.